Hello everyone, Contra Messi Gringo with another drill for you. Today we're going to show you a drill that's going to help you to improve your macaco, improve your AU de costa, and also build up strength and have fun with your training and exercise as well. Let me show you exactly what we're going to do first. Nice. Now that you've seen it, it looks quite simple and easy, but we're gonna build up step by step. First, I'm gonna do a cartwheel facing the wall. So I'm gonna go to my right, so my first hand to go on the floor is my right hand, and I'm gonna stop myself with my left leg on the floor. If I'm scared, you can even place the hand, place the other hand and just walk there, okay? And then you can get used to it. Once you get used to it, you can go straight from the cartwheel. It doesn't matter. The idea is the drill in between. So I'm going to show you from the AU. So here, I will stop. That was my first leg. This leg that's hanging, I'm going to place on the other side. But for that, I need to take my hand out. This is the first step, okay? You can also try with both feet on the wall and then take the hand out. Like here, just step, step, and just practice to take the hand out. You can do it both sides before you try it, okay? Once you get used to it, then you can go straight from the AU. Once I can do that, now I'm gonna practice to rotate and do the half turn first. Let's start with the half turn. So here, do my AU, place the foot so I can take my hand out, and I'm gonna do a full half turn. From here, I can just push off the wall to come back out. You can do both sides, get used to it, and then you can practice. If that's too easy, now I'm gonna do the extra half turn to go back and face the wall again. It's the same principle. It's all about having the confidence and the strength. Keep your wrist in line with your elbow if you can, but the main thing is to keep the arm straight once you take the hand out. This floor isn't so good because it's rubber and catch your hand, but ideally you want to spin. You don't have to, you can kind of walk around, but that means the small step is harder. So I'm going to try to spin, but I'm not sure if it's going to happen because of the floor, but let's go. Here, it's there. Now on the way out, I'm going to spin and then come back. I don't have much space on the sides here. If you can do an open space, even better. But the goal is to do the spin, come back, be able to stay on one arm once you rotate. And the key is sending the leg first to push your weight over to that side. Otherwise, you're gonna get stuck and not be able to send it over. Once you get used to it, you can do it with more momentum. I'm doing super slow, so it's hard to even get the spin. If you do it faster, it's easier, you get more momentum, but I need to be confident already on my arms. I hope that helped. If you like this, please share with other people. Also, join me on the Master of Flow community. It's free to join, and movements like this and many other exercises to help on your capoeira and fitness, and make sure we create a nice and strong body to keep flowing and moving as much as you can for as long as you can without any injuries or setback. The link is on the bio or on the description, depends where you're watching this video, and I see you on the next one.